I am so glad that you have found this amazing Instagram marketing course. I'm here to guide you to take all the way, step by step, till you become a master of Instagram marketing. No, wait, till you become a god of Instagram marketing. And I promise you, there will be nothing in Instagram marketing that you cannot accomplish. So by the end of the course, you will have a professional and convincing Instagram page that itself will attract a lot of real human followers for you. You will be able to create much higher quality content as images and as videos. You will master every marketing strategy that exists in Instagram. You will be able to automate your page to get more results in much shorter time. You will master story marketing, live marketing, creating network effect, creating ads and promotions, and two most important and rare skills in Instagram marketing. Convert followers into real paying customers, and the second one, how to create viral posts, which not everyone knows how to do them. So, if still there is a little doubt in your mind that this is the best Instagram marketing course, I suggest you to do two things. First of all, go ahead and read the course description to get more information about the course. Second, go ahead and read the hundreds of reviews that people wrote not only for this course, but for all of my marketing courses, and see how happy they are with the information, strategies, and techniques that they have learned, with the results that they had received by the end of the course. And even you can message them and ask them yourself. And if still you don't know the real value of this course, please go ahead and watch the next two videos. It's completely free, and there you will learn one of the most powerful tools and strategies in Instagram marketing, which will make everything easier for you. So what do you say? Are you really ready to become a god of Instagram marketing? Yes? So click on take the course right now, because what you are going to learn in this course is the matter of becoming successful in the world of marketing. I'm Pouya, and this is my Instagram marketing masterclass.